How to connect Squarespace domain to Google Sites. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how to transfer or connect your Squarespace domain with a website that you have created in Google Sites. So as you can see here, we have a random website over here in Google Sites. So what you're going to have to do is to click on Publish over here on the top right. As you can see here, you're simply going to put in your web address. But we want a custom domain. So simply click on Manage, click on Start Setup, and then simply input the domain that you have from Squarespace, and then you will be able to connect your custom domain to Google Sites over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.